This is a little test of the PCB for the transistor Curve Tracer. It has both NPN and PNP curve tracers on one board. As you can see, it works like a charm. I haven't tried the PNP function yet. I'm going to do that next. I've soldered in some little tubes to hold the transistor under test, and some copper wire for the probes to hook onto. And this is the result for the PNP version. Also works perfectly, like you can see. It's amazing, really cool. All on a little board. Just, what is it, 4.5 by 7.5 centimeters. These boards are for sale, so just look on my website for more details. Link is in the description.